Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with a new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
Before anything else, remove this pin on the passenger side cowling. It's easier to do without the hood of the car being raised. To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. There are 3 other pins securing the cowling panel. Use a screwdriver to pry the center up, then pry the base to remove the securing pin. Pull the foam back and remove the pin. Lift the cowling and remove the old filter from the housing. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AQ1047 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the pins to secure the cowling. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Reinstall the pin. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.